guys, today we are going to make a slime makeover video.
Okay, I'm going to use my slime ball to contain the slime as my head. Look at this. So yeah, look at it.
So guys, I really like dark colors. Sorry that the light is so really bright.
Yeah, okay, so I'm going to put green because it's my favorite color. Oops, I jumped. Okay, so I'm going to put my green because it's my favorite color, and hope you guys enjoy the video.
Let's flip it. So guys, these are the slimes that we're gonna do a makeover to.
So
If you don't know what slime looks like, here it is.
it's super stretchy. Let's show them.
Yep, you should. So guys, we're gonna do a makeover.
Okay, so
But we will add the water and lotion.
we are going to carry some Sharpies. Okay, let's
Yeah, so I'm gonna choose this color is my favorite.
As I said,
Like I told you, I love dark colors.
As I said, I'm going to put some greens. I'm going to put the 3 types of greens here.
Yeah, there's more greens that last time I had, but never mind.
Wow.
Don't do that, just do this.
So nice. So beautiful.
Yeah.
Wait, it's getting out of camera. Look at that.
So guys, look at mine. It's really dark already. I'm gonna try to mix it up for a little while.
Okay, so wait. Do it in front of the cam. So she's going to do it in front of the cam.
Do they even know what's a camera? If you don't know what's a camera, I'm sorry.
No, this in front of the camera. Yeah. So, okay. Make more green. Mix it more better.
You see guys? This is why I like dark colors. They'll come up quickly.
And perfecto.
Perfect.
So we have this. Look at this. What is this?
I'm gonna
It's
get
such
more
a
color.
good slime. Now let me.
Well, I think you guys will love it so much. I'm gonna add more pink.
So
But this is a different type.
comment down below which one you like. The left one or the right one?
Okay, but we're not done yet, so we have to.
Yeah, later you will see.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at the colors. It's not really working out very well.
But it's great because we have dark colors.
For some reason, there's blue. Oh, by the way, the recipe for this is just some really wet slime and some blue tack to make this beautiful, awesome slime.
Yeah, we add some beads in there, right?
Yeah, and the blue tack you can make any color.
Oh, the smells are strong, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter whether it's really hard or really soft.
Yeah. It's figuring to the colors and the feeling.
But of course, I do recommend if it was soft, so because it took like 1 day for me to mix every bit of.
Look at mine all pinked up, guys.
Wow, look at this. It looks so ugly. Mine is horrible. Okay, I think we should. I'm gonna use some blue. Sorry guys, that I see I like green, but I'm gonna put some blue because it's really good at this. So yeah.
I got a lot of pink in here, so I'm sorry if mine is not in the camera. Wait, you're drawing on the table. You're drawing on the table.
Whoops, I drew on the table. Okay, I'll do it softer. So I'm gonna show you hers, and I'm gonna draw it off camera.
Yeah, just for a little while. Later we'll show you this one. And no matter what, we still love it the way it is. We don't. We love it. We forever love it. We won't hate it. We love it just the way it was. So guys, actually next time we're gonna make a new video. So you are gonna choose what color should we take.
Yes, in the comments below. All right, write it down. Okay.
So
So
he's
I'm
on
going-
super bluish,
Wow.
as you can see.
So I'm gonna mix it.
Sorry if I'm touching yours by accident.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna
add really bright pink.
Yes, while
for
she
a
does
little
that, I'm gonna mix mine on the
Yeah.
camera. So look at this.
while. I'm just gonna.
The blueness.
Yeah,
Whoops. Ooh.
Did
Okay,
we hurt
we do have some lotion.
Yeah, we're gonna add it to the last part
For
once
you
we're done
guys.
with the
And some
color.
water.
Yeah, but we can't drink it because it's tap water, you know. Yeah.
So my
You know
slime
what's
is
a tap water,
turning out-
right, babies? If you
Turning
don't
out
know.
blue. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys hers, super pink, and I'm gonna draw my blue.
Yeah.
Well, you know what she's doing.
You know, guys, I kind of like you guys. I love you all, guys. Thank you for actually liking all our videos, right?
Actually, it's the first one I ever made, so sorry if it's super bad, because I just tried it, so yeah.
This is his first time.
You
This
guys
is
are probably
my-
cringing so hard right now, it's like crazy.
Yeah. Don't mind if my table is really dirty because it's my job. I have to clean it up.
Oh, smells
And mine's super pinky.
Okay, so
Mine is like Pinkie Pie. No. I kind of like Pinkie Pie. You know, Pinkie Pie is a lot of Pinkie. And she also loved balloons. I loved balloons when I was a baby first time. So, if you don't know how a slime looks like, we are decorating.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys
Disney.
mine. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, whatever.
So look at mine.
It's a masterpiece. Oh, the smell is strong.
It smells really bad though, guys.
Yeah,
I wish
but
you guys.
even better.
I wish you guys could smell this, but it's super duper bad.
You can try to smell it even though you're in the video.
Wow,
I hope you really want to.
So,
I mean, you get a present if you want to like us for a little while. I mean, guys, look at mine.
okay, so I'm gonna turn it. Wow, looks so nice.
Mine is pinky poopy. Mine is full of pink, guys, as you can see. Oh, oh, oh. Ow. This thing is damn.
Okay, so guys, we're going to mix it off cam, and hope you guys enjoy.
No, not nail.
No, okay, now you can talk whatever you want, okay? Because I'm going to cut the whole part off.
Hi.
I'm gonna because it's too long already. We cannot just keep on talking. Very stressful. Okay, so just leave it on, huh? No, you can don't. I'm gonna cut the part off. Don't show them anything, okay? Don't stop showing them anything. Okay, just mix it with more colors.
So, guys.
No, you're not supposed to talk. No one is hearing anymore. I'm gonna delete this part off. Cause it's just off cam. There's no point.
Oh my god. Aiden, look what I just made your slime look like. Your slime is really getting a little bluish. Don't poke in my keyboard.
Wait, I'm gonna take it home. You
No. And you want me?
can have it for this.
Yeah.
So tomorrow give me back or what?
But mine is super pink if you mind.
Yeah, this is super okay. Okay, wait, it's gonna be purple. Cause blue plus pink is purple.
Yeah.
It
But
doesn't
I
matter-
don't think you like it, the color.
It doesn't matter if anything falls down or anything. It's gonna turn it on. Yeah.
Don't poke it on the table, please.
Just keep looking. It's already 7 minutes. I wanna cut off like I don't know how long.
Mine's gonna be super pink.
Let's keep on mixing it, okay? Make it as okay. Do you have any like can you give me the don't mind wait, where's the water?
The water is on there.
We're gonna refill this because I'm gonna put some blue inside.
No! Don't.
Okay, let's roll out. Oh, why is it so blue?
Because the water is taking over.
Doesn't make sense. Okay, so
Look at the water. You're looking at the water, you know that?
no one's looking because we're gonna cut it off. Or there's no footage of this. It'll be disappeared. Okay, so yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
Just keep on mixing. Oh my gosh.
How you cut this part off? You cut it off?
Yeah, there's a
right?
trim. There's a trim at the end. After we're done, you can like trim it off.
Oh, you didn't tell me. I
So,
never
look
make
at
one
this.
before. But I'm super good at
Slime.
TikTok.
Yeah.
And slime
If you're good
color.
at TikTok, you're good at this. That's
Yep,
super hard.
I'm super good.
Wait, does the slime look different?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show them now. Okay.
No, not now.
Okay, let's
Oh, little. I need to keep coloring mine for a little more. Make yours until super dark. Make yours until really dark. Okay, make yours really dark.
Look at this.
Make yours really dark.
Is it okay?
Make yours super duper extra dark. Like
Yeah,
the
table is
darkest thing in the whole white wall.
The table is super.
Yeah, whatever.
Yellowish.
The piece?
Look at this. It's okay. I think it's okay.
No, it's not.
No, later we can trim if it's not. Okay, look at this.
No. You have to keep coloring it. Look at
Okay, but
mine.
we stop like. Okay, and just don't like talk so much. And put your one in front closer. So. Okay, now we're starting again. Okay, hello guys, we are back. Look at her slime. My slime has not changed. Okay, so I'm gonna show her mine.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Show you
keep
guys
coloring
mine.
mine.
So
I'm gonna
look
keep
at
coloring
this. This is mine.
I kind of want to keep coloring mine because, you know,
Uh-oh.
we can like choose our life.
Sorry guys, something fell down. And if you are wondering what is this chunk right here, the chunk is just some blue tack, I believe. Yep, it's some blue tack. Alright, look at this. stretching. Whoa.
So
So
guys,
I'm gonna show her.
I want to keep coloring mine.
Put yours down. Put yours down.
Oh, I can't color. So guys, I kind of like it because you know,
I'm gonna
favorite
mix it
color
off
is
camera.
pink.
So I'm gonna
Favorite color is pink. Don't mind if mine didn't really change that much, cause guys, I really like pink.
Mine
You
didn't
love
change much.
blue and green, so don't mind.
To be honest, I like dark. I like light, but then it's super like hard. So I'm gonna. It's super hard to mix in. So I need.
I like dark because the color will
Look
pick.
at wait. Let me show you. Guys, okay. So look at this. We have some super blue stuff right here.
Yeah, but that's not really his real slime.
And
That's
this
just
is
a mark.
a color.
Yeah, I'm just flattening mine over.
So my slime is getting super hard. How about yours?
Mine's getting a little easy.
Okay, so yeah. My slime is nice and really cool. I see the beads.
Me too.
Oh gosh, your hair's in the slime.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah. Okay, good.
My hair can
Sorry
come
guys
out.
about that, but yeah. Okay.
That was my hair problem. Ugh, the smell. Oh, awful.
I'm gonna show them. So look at this. So
Yeah, I
this
don't
is what we
mind.
got.
I
I guess it's
Whoa!
tiny
Look at mine.
bit better. Yeah.
Look like pink gum already. Mine look like pink gum.
Okay, so put your slime in front, please.
No, no.
Okay, I'll turn it here then. Okay.
So guys, mine is like pink gum chewed by someone. Like seriously.
Mine looks like my mint.
Yeah, his look like me. Mine's like another type, like strawberry, grape, or blueberry.
Hers is not blue.
Mine is pink. It look a little purplish though. Wait, I'm gonna tell you. Oh wait, I got a little purple right here. I wanna kind of color it. Wait, it's not purple. It's pink. Awesome. I found the most nicest pink ever. So I'm just not gonna keep mixing it. I'm just gonna waste all
Look at this.
up. Yep. Look at him. Let's go. Let's keep doing this.
Okay, I think I'm done with slime.
I'm not done. I think I'm done.
Okay, I think she's done. Are you done?
Yep, I'm done.
Okay,
I
so
just keep
I'm gonna turn the camera right here. Put your slime right here.
mixing. 1 second. I need to mix it.
Okay, I'm
up.
gonna show you mine.
I need to mix this baby up. I feel like mine like someone chewed this thing up.
Let me.
For 1 second.
Okay, so yeah, look at this.
So guys, let's add the lotion and the water.
Okay, so first I'm gonna put some lotion.
Yep. We're gonna open this thing.
Suntan. I think we should just put water.
Yes.
don't know. You're using our hands. Who does this? Can you take a spoon or something?
No.
Let's take a spoon.
So guys.
She's gonna go help us take a spoon.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
Since we like,
So okay, I guess we're gonna need to use our hands.
Oh.
For me, it's easier, right?
I mean, who would never? Here's my sweet.
Look at, okay, so look at my slime.
Oh, mine almost mixed up with
Is that
yours.
aqua?
Aquaman. You're Aquaman.
No.
I'm Pinkie Pie. Wait, no, you're Rainbow. I'm Pinkie Pie.
Mine
You're
is
Rainbow.
super like. Look at this. It's reflecting for some reason. I'm not sure why. That's
So guys,
not water. Look at
mine's
this.
full. Oh no.
Uh oh. My slime
Ow.
is totally pink.
Whatever.
So yeah.
No, he's not. Mine is totally not blue. Oh wait, I have a tiny blue over there. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of this color. You wanna keep coloring now. And who would never wanna color? So guys, you see?
So now I'm gonna put more blue. So yeah.
Yeah, I really like this color because this color is super dark.
Okay, I'm gonna put the camera here so that's better
Oh
angle.
no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No.
So we're
no.
gonna put all of this stuff. Look at that! Look at that beauty!
Yep, I kinda like it when you call it beauty.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
I know I'm really weird, but guys, I'm a girl, he's a boy. I'm not the boyfriend.
I think our probably guys just cringing so hard right now.
What the frick?
Sorry, there's some sound in the back because there's some other people talking.
Yeah. This is my house and his house, right? I have a big brother. Oh yeah. But you're not my brother, dude.
I'm not. I'm your friend. So yeah, okay.
Friend. I'm a sister.
But we are friends. So.
Yeah, so yeah.
So look at this.
So I kind what I see on my face. Oh, don't mind me what I say. Ooh.
Okay, so I'm gonna show her.
Oh, there's the beads. See, guys? See what's up with the beads? What's the beads? So, guys, this slime is super like.
I guess I'm not sure what happened to my slime, but look at this. There's some salt.
Salt. It kind of look like you wear salt on it.
Okay, I'm gonna put some more water. So yes, don't worry, but I'm gonna turn it a bit. So yeah,
You're gonna turn it to water.
it's gonna leak. It's smelling really bad. So yeah,
Yeah.
you guys are probably like
but
cringing
probably, like-
so hard.
So, guys, look at mine.
Sorry guys, but you guys are probably like cringing so hard right now.
Yeah, I probably think about that too. But guys, I'm sorry to put the back sound over there.
Background sound. So putting water, it makes it stretchy. So if you guys didn't know, you can put some water in your slime just to make it more stretchy.
Yeah. Wait, when you add too much water, it'll turn a little too much watery.
Yeah, I turned like into
You know,
water.
you touch water that you look at the YouTube video, that type of water. And guys, look at mine, so shiny, so stretchy. What's
Mine is not stretchy at all. Look at this.
I think you add too much.
And the water is actually really good.
Oh no, you're throwing water on mine.
Guys, this is so crazy right now. The slime. I never knew this was possible
Let's scoop this up.
until I watched a video about this. So yeah.
So guys, this is his first video. This is my third video.
Okay, so yeah, this is pretty amazing. Look at my slime.
I'm
It's
slapping it.
super stretchy.
Mine's super stretchy. Oh,
Put some more water.
don't put it outside. Don't
It's
put it outside.
leaking.
Don't put it outside.
The slime is leaking.
Don't
It's
put
okay.
it outside.
It's not the water.
No.
Whoops. Okay, so
Put it. Put it in the bowl if you got water. Put it here.
wow, he's literally dipping it. Look at that. Jeez, he's dipping it. I guess it's easier, right? Is it easier?
Yeah, it's easier, but more ooky.
Let me just put some. Okay.
Yeah, take it from that was a lot.
Look at this. I'm gonna put my. Excuse me.
Wait, 1 second. I need
Okay,
come.
just look at that. Okay, look at this.
Sorry, it's the
It's
water.
really wet. Look at that. You can see.
Okay,
some
don't put
water.
it outside. Don't put it
I'm
outside.
gonna mix it in here. I'm gonna turn the cam to work first.
Mine feel like gum.
I don't know what it feels like. I
Oh
never.
no, your hand's getting a little bluish. Cause mine's a little pink.
It's not that though.
Yeah.
Guys, sorry, but it smells so bad.
It smells quite good to me though. I'm super weird.
There's
don't
a lot of
mind.
smells of ink.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna mix it a bit.
So I'm
Choose
gonna-
one color. Look at that. I'm gonna put the whole. Oh,
I think I add too much water.
guys, you have no idea how much fun this is.
This is like.
If you have never made slime before, then you should go try it. Super good.
If you don't know how slime look like, this is my third time telling you. This is how it looks.
Oh, by the way, guys, borax is not that good.
Yeah, because it'll make your hand burn. That's why you have to wash it.
You make your hand a bit burn. So
Yeah,
like.
burn like very.
Guys, if you wanted, you could put borax, but I don't suggest you do it. It might overactivate. And I think you should just put, if you don't want, just put some contact lens solution.
You can use soap to make this too.
Yeah, soap can make it like foamy and all.
And make like really smell good. And you have to actually use another. Maybe your slime won't have color. You can't color it with Sharpies. Sharpies.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I
yeah.
think yeah.
You see, guys, mine is pretty getting a
Okay,
little
so I'm
sticky.
mixing
though.
it.
Mine's getting a little watery.
I'm gonna say something and then we're gonna end the video.
No,
Okay.
make it a little longer. It's already ready. No.
Guys, sorry the video is like so long. Okay, so
Oh. See here?
Look at it.
Wiggle, wiggle.
You're doing it.
Oh no!
Oh, how's on the floor? Sorry guys, look at this. Look at Shay. Look at her.
I'm a pretty girl.
Okay, put it here.
Woo!
Okay. So
Oh, there's a hair in there.
she slammed so hard that the whole camera fell down.
Yeah. Yay! Ouch. Oh.
Okay, I think we should stop.
Okay, when there. Okay, I'll tell you when to end.
No, okay, when it's
25 more seconds. I'll see. No, okay, they have. No, it's okay, mommy.
no, okay.
It's already.
Okay, so guys, it's like.
So guys, look at my wiggle jiggle. Oh no,
Yeah, I'm gonna show you.
Mine's like an
My slime.
I'm gonna add a little more water.
It's super sticky for some reason when you put water in.
Yeah,
So
I'm gonna
I
add some
super
lotion.
recommend you.
I recommend you to not do this at home.
You can, but it's super. I think you should like put some newspaper.
Yeah. So guys, this is how my slime looks like. Really stretchy, really sticky. And I'm gonna add more. Don't put it outside, okay? I'm gonna do it really slowly.
I'm gonna make my
because,
slime off the camera so it's easier.
Mine's in the camera.
Don't see anything. Okay. So
Guys, we're gonna be quiet to let you hear the quietness in our house. So let's get started. Let's talk. Wait, I'm asking if we talk, then we end.
look at the slime. It's so nice. Okay. Her slime is so good. Sorry guys, I just dropped something. So guys, now we're gonna talk. So okay,
So our science game, did you hear the sign? Sorry for the background, cause you know.
yeah, it's true. Okay, so her slime is more like a girl slime, mine is like a boy slime.
Yours look like a sea. Mine look like a. How you say that?
Like
A pink water sea, like a pink side of the water. Well, mine look like a toy. Oh yay!
how is this a squishy? Totally.
Totally.
Her slime is totally amazing. Mine
I'm
looks
gonna-
totally weird.
His one looks really dark in color.
Mine is super bright.
Yeah.
Yours is super nice.
Mine's super bright. Yours is
Look,
really.
the colors have to change. Guys, you can compare that from the starting of the video to the end of the video. So yeah.
So we're gonna let you keep seeing how this slime looks like.
Okay, so guys, I think our slime is done.
No, we're not. You're silly. I think I'm poking a table.
No, it's not. Okay. Okay, so guys, her slime is totally amazing. My slime is super wet.
Yeah.
Super
He just.
nice, goopy.
Yeah. Don't take it out the
Yeah, the slime is turning into like putty.
pudding. Wait, maybe we make the very watery one. We have to put it somewhere really.
It's so hard to pronounce. Is it putty, or whatever you call
I
it?
think it's pudding.
I think it's putty.
I think it's watery. It's called watery.
Okay, so anyways, what you gonna call your slime?
I'm gonna tell my slime Pinkie Pie. Wait, unicorn.
I'm gonna call mine, let's see.
Mine's gonna be unicorn. I'm just gonna add one tip of water.
I'm gonna put the whole thing
So,
inside.
okay. No, don't take it. You can't take it out because mine is just a drip on me.
Guys, my hands are super blue right now.
Yeah, later you have to wash your hand because you add too much water.
Yeah, it's
You're
like,
adding too much water.
super disgusting when you put water, right? It's like super,
My hair is super clean though.
super moisturized.
My hair is still
Look at my
so
hair, it's
clean.
blue.
My hair is still really clean.
Look at my slime, guys. It's super stretchy thanks to the water. Put more water.
So guys, his one is gonna be super watery. So we have a challenge. This is our challenge. Sorry, the first part we didn't tell you it was a challenge. We are seeing whose will be darker or brighter. I'm not sure. It's up to us. Up to you and me. So mine is super pink, as you can see.
Mine is super
Blue.
blue.
Keep coloring until we will get the darkest color in the whole wide world.
I'm not going to put more color. I'm just going to make it more watery.
Wow, yours is super.
Weird.
So as you can see, mine is not really getting that dark.
Mine is super bright. The water makes it really bright for some reason. It's like kind of absorbing the water.
And
That's why
if you see, it looks really dark, but when the reality, it's really bright. If you don't know, reality is real tiny.
yeah, the camera makes it super bright. Like, I know why.
So guys, as you can see, this is the blue tag. If you don't know what's a blue tag, then that means you're weird. Sorry about my manners. I just want to make you laugh a little.
There's a lot of blue tag. And just look at
Yeah.
that. There's so many blue tags.
Yep. You didn't mean to add too much.
Okay, let's make it the poke. Guys, I wish you can hear the ASMR right now.
ASMR will make you sleep, so I think this will make you sleep.
The ASMR.
But ASMR have to be really quiet, so let's play a quiet game again. 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna do poking, and now it starts.
And guys, I'm gonna color it a little more.
I'm gonna put more water, and then I'll show you the poking after about, I don't know.
Yeah, so let's start the challenge.
Quiet. I'm just dipping it. Oh, okay, that's totally fine.
Oh my god. I kept doing
Guys, my slime is making so much noise.
Yeah, because of the water, it will make
Listen to this, listen to this. I wish you guys can hear this properly. I think it might be really soft, but I'll try. So guys, while she does that, I'm going to
let you hear the poke.
yeah, for my slime. Whoops, I just dropped it there.
Just
So,
gonna
yes, look
keep
at this.
mixing.
Look at this.
Mine's behind his one.
Super
so then-
jiggly.
I hope we can make the really wet sound.
Sorry guys, but I need to pick up something.
Whoa, yours is super cold.
Yeah, she's trying out my slime. Don't touch us.
Whoa, that's so cool. Yeah,
So-
mine won't make my hair dirty.
Guys, I'm just gonna
My hair is still really
Time
clean.
is already passed. So, seeing that our hands are super clean, hers is clean, mine is super dirty, I think we should just end
And
the video.
right here.
So, hope you guys enjoy,
guys, subscribe,
like,
and click
click
10,000 likes.
and click the bell icon. So, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.